Where could the legendary city of Atlantis be located? Or does it exist at all? Have you ever pondered these questions? The Enigma of Atlantis stirs our curiosity and captivates our imaginations. This legendary city, first mentioned in the ancient dialogues of Plato, Timaeus, and Critias, has been shrouded in mystery for centuries. Plato's account describes Atlantis as a powerful and advanced kingdom that sank in a single day and night of misfortune into the ocean's abyss. Today, the existence of Atlantis is a hotly debated topic. Some believe it was nothing more than a cautionary tale told by Plato, while others argue that it was a real place, lost to time and sea. The exact location of Atlantis remains unknown, with theories ranging from the Mediterranean Sea to the distant corners of the Atlantic Ocean. Join us on this journey as we delve into the various theories surrounding the Enigma of Atlantis. Could Atlantis have been an advanced ancient civilization lost to time? This is a question that has captivated the minds of historians, scientists, and enthusiasts alike for centuries. Let's delve into this intriguing theory. The idea that Atlantis was an advanced civilization is not unfounded. Legends and ancient texts describe Atlantis as a city of unparalleled technological progress. It's said that Atlantean society was well versed in complex architecture, advanced metallurgy, and even possessed knowledge that hinted at an understanding of what we now call quantum physics. Imagine, if you will, a civilization thousands of years ago with knowledge and technology that rivals, if not surpasses, our own. But where was this advanced civilization located? The ancient texts point us towards the Pillars of Hercules, what we now know as the Strait of Gibraltar. Beyond these pillars, it was said, lay the mighty city-state of Atlantis. The supposed location places Atlantis outside the boundaries of the known ancient world, suggesting that it may have been a civilization distinct and separate from the ones we're familiar with. And what about its end? The downfall of Atlantis is described as nothing short of cataclysmic. Ancient narratives detail a natural disaster of such magnitude that it led to the complete destruction and subsequent submersion of the city. Earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions. The accounts vary, but they all agree on one thing: Atlantis was consumed by the sea, its advanced civilization lost beneath the waves in a single day and night of misfortune. This theory of Atlantis as an advanced civilization is enthralling, to say the least. It presents an image of a society far ahead of its time, a place where knowledge and technology flourished, only to be lost in a cataclysmic disaster. However, as captivating as this theory may be, it is but one of many. This theory paints a fascinating image of Atlantis as an advanced civilization, but it's not the only theory that seeks to explain the legend. Or was Atlantis simply a metaphorical tale spun by the philosopher Plato? This question has been the spark igniting many debates among scholars and enthusiasts alike. The theory suggests that the story of Atlantis was not a recording of historical fact, but rather a narrative constructed by Plato to serve as a philosophical lesson. Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, was known for his allegorical tales, using them as tools to convey complex philosophical ideas. In the case of Atlantis, some argue that Plato crafted the story as a cautionary tale about hubris, the pride that precedes a fall, and the dangers of power. In this narrative, the Atlanteans are portrayed as a people who were initially virtuous and noble, but who over time became corrupted by their power and wealth. Their arrogance led to their downfall and the eventual destruction of their civilization. This tale, some argue, served to warn the Athenians about the perils of their own expanding empire and growing hubris. Plato's dialogues, specifically Timaeus and Critias, are the only ancient sources that mention Atlantis. The intricate detail in which he describes the city and its people, some argue, is not to lend credibility to its existence, but rather to make the moral of the story more impactful. However, despite these arguments, there is a lack of consensus. Some contend that Plato's philosophical tales were often rooted in reality, suggesting that, while Atlantis may have been exaggerated for effect, It was based on a real city or civilization that suffered a catastrophic end. This theory, like many surrounding Atlantis, has its fair share of critics. There are those who argue that it dismisses too easily the possibility of an advanced ancient civilization and instead simplifies the story into a moral fable. While the metaphor theory offers a philosophical explanation, others believe in a more tangible, geographical answer. Each theory, each perspective, adds another layer to the enigma of Atlantis, making the search for the truth all the more fascinating. Could Atlantis have been a lost continent, swallowed by the ocean? This thought-provoking question leads us into the lost continent theory. This hypothesis suggests that Atlantis was not just a city, but a sizable landmass that succumbed to the sea due to dramatic geological shifts. Imagine this scenario: a sprawling, advanced civilization thriving on a vast continent. Then, through a cataclysmic event, such as an earthquake or volcanic eruption, the land sinks beneath the waves, taking with it the entire civilization. The survivors, if any, would scatter, taking with them stories of their lost homeland, which over time become the stuff of legends. The lost continent theory is an intriguing one. It's a concept that aligns with known geological phenomena and gives weight to the tale of Atlantis. But like every other theory about Atlantis, it raises as many questions as it answers. The lost continent theory adds another layer to the Atlantis enigma, but the mystery remains. So where does this leave us in our search for Atlantis? From the depths of time and imagination, the Enigma of Atlantis has captivated us with its riveting tales. We've dived into theories about an ancient advanced civilization unmatched in its technological prowess. We've pondered the possibility of Atlantis being a metaphorical tale, a story spun to teach and inspire, rather than a real place. We've also considered the concept of a lost continent, hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be rediscovered. Each theory offers a different lens through which to view this enduring mystery. Yet, despite the countless hours of research and the numerous theories, the true nature and location of Atlantis remains shrouded in mystery. It's a puzzle that continues to defy the passage of time, resisting our attempts to solve it. Perhaps the allure of Atlantis lies not in finding definitive answers, but in the endless possibilities that its legend presents.